Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and you're watching Baka Baba. I hope you guys are doing great and thank you so much for your support and love to my YouTube channel. Now we have become a family of 600 YouTube members and I hope that we will get a 1K very soon. So if you have visited first time to my YouTube channel, then please do not forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will get a notifications related to my new videos. So today this video is going to be very interesting. I'm going to walk you through the demonstration of CommCell Console because many of you have complained that you have found that CommCell Console is so much complex. You didn't get much idea like why these options are available in this CommCell Console, what does it means. So I thought why not to create a video on the demonstration of CommCell Console. So today in this video we are going to cover each and everything related to the CommCell Console. So without wasting our time, let's begin the demonstration of CommCell Console. So I guess you must be aware like the CommCell Console is a Java-based console and you will find this in the start under the Commvault folder. The second option is CommCell Console, so you just need to click on there. So once it open, you need to provide our credentials, and in the CommCell it is showing the CommServe server name, that is in my case my CommServe server name is Agni, and you just need to click on OK. So here you can see we have successfully logged into the CommCell Console, and by default the job controller page is open. So what is basically the role of job controller? So basically once you run any job or whatever happening in the CommCell Console, either backup, restoration, upgradation, so everything will be visible here. So here you can see there are multiple tabs like job ID, operation, client computer, agent type, subclient, job type. So once any job will run, it will be displayed here. So from here you can also close it. So from where, so now the question will come like from where you will again find this job controller. So to open the job controller you have to visit to the home. Under the home, the second option is job controller, so you just need to click on job controller. So again that particular tab will get open. So once you came down, you can see this is the version and service pack of the COM server. So right now I am using version 11 and service pack 32.15. So from here also you can check like what service pack or versions your CommServe is running. And here you can see the username, it is showing admin. So just a minute. So this CommCell has been logged in with the user admin, so that's why it is showing admin. So here you can see there are plenty of options available. CommCell, job controller, tools, storage, configuration, etc. So now coming back to home, so I will start with the left hand side, the CommCell browser. So here you can see the name Agni. So Agni is showing the name of the COM server. So in your case, whatever you will be define the CommServe name, so that will be visible here. Under down it is showing client computer group. So once you click, so this is the predefined groups available in the CommCell. So you can see infrastructure, index server, so laptop clients. So once you install the laptop, that will automatically move to the laptop client. Same with the infrastructure. Once you install any server, that particular server will move to the infrastructure group. So this is happening because here is automatically some rules have been created. So here you can see if client is equal to the CS client, then it will by default move to the infrastructure group. Same with the if client equal to the media agent, so that will also move to this group. So this is how this policy has made. So now I'm clicking close. So now the question came in your mind that why we need to create the group. So basically The group is used to segregate the servers or the location or the geographical area. So let's suppose you have thousands of server and 5,000 of endpoints with all the geographical area, and it will get very complex for you to manage all in a same page. So that's why you need to create a group. So now coming like how to create a group. So you just need to create on client computer, right click, just create new group. So in the group name you have to provide a name. So suppose if you are creating it for some your unit location, let's suppose Mumbai, so Mumbai unit. And here in the association you have two options, manual and automatic. So if you want to manually associate that particular client, so you just need to include it and click on OK. So that particular group will get created with this client. But if you want to do the automatic exclusion, if you want to do the automatic association, so you just need to click on automatic association. Here there are plenty of rules, so you just need to select the rules. If client is equal to like suppose if you are creating for the laptop clients, so here, and just click OK. So that particular group will be created with this particular rules. So I'm just creating manual and clicking OK. So you can see a new group has been created with the name Mumbai unit. So this is how you can create a group as per your department name or your country or as per the unit location, and you can segregate the clients. So this was all about the client computer groups. Now if you come down to the client computer groups, so here is the option of client computers. So once you click on the client computer, you will see the list of all the clients that are associated with this CommCell console. Just imagine you are an admin of a particular company, and you have 500 endpoints, 500 servers and 500 virtual machines, and you have installed an agent inside that particular servers endpoints, and you have integrated your virtual machine with the CommServe. So totally you have 1500 of client computers. So that particular 1500 clients will be displayed under the client computers. So just imagine how difficult it will be for an admin to manage all the clients in a single folder. So just to overcome this, Commvault has the client computer groups option. So under the client computer groups, an admin can segregate their clients as per location wise, department wise or country wise, and if they found anything they want to do the forensic, so just they will go to that particular clients and they can find their client and they can do the backup, troubleshooting and restoration. So I hope I'm able to clear the differentiation between the client computers and client computer groups. So now coming to the third option, that is company. So you must have some companies have the sister companies also. So on that case, if company A doesn't want like company B have the access of their clients in a same CommCell, so just to segregate, the Commvault has introduced the companies option. So here you can create your multiple companies, and you just need to provide the company name, email, contact name and SMTP. So once you configure this company, the particular A company will not be able to see the clients of company B, C or vice versa. Now just clicking cancel. Now coming to fourth option, security. So under the security, you can see CommCell user group, domains and roles. So basically the CommCell users are the users which you have onboarded to the CommCell console. So in my case, I have only one user, admin, and I have given the full rights to that particular user. And this is talking about the username, full name, email ID, and when the user has last login. And this is the description of that particular user. So if you want to create a new user, you just need to click it here, right? New users, and you have to fill up the this particular details and just click OK, and your user will be displayed here. Now second option is CommCell user groups. In CommCell user groups, you can define multiple groups and you can associate the users to particular groups. So in my case, I have only one group, that is master, and in master I have given the administrative permission. So if you want to create a group on which you want to give specific rights, so from here you can do that. So suppose if you want to create a group and you want that particular user have only the view permission, so from here you will create a group, just provide a name. So here I'm typing view only, view all, and in the members, if you want that particular available member will get associated with this policy, so you just need to include it from here to there. In the associated entities, you just need to go to add and you just need to select the CommCell, and from here you can have the option to select the roles. So alert donor, all user, laptops, case manager, review and all. So if you came down, so you can see the view. So once you click on view, so you can see this particular group have only the view permission. You just need to click on OK and just click OK. The name view only is not allowed as a group name. Okay, so just change it, view only, add view only member. Now clicking OK, so you can see we have successfully created a group with the view all member. So this is how you can create a CommCell user group and you can associate your user as per your organization policy. So now coming to domain, so suppose if you have Active Directory or you have Apple Directory Service, Domino, Radius, Jumbo Cloud, Oracle Directory and LDAP, and you do not want to add the users manually, so you just need to integrate your domain with the CommCell and you can import your all users and group with the help of this option. So suppose if you have Active Directory, just need to click on Add Active Directory, so it will ask the required information. So once you provide the information and you have to click on OK, so you will able to see your all users and group of that particular Active Directory. So now I'm clicking close. Now the last option is roles. So once you click on roles, you can see these all are system created roles which get created once you install the CommServe. But let's suppose you do not want to use this particular roles and you want to create a new role. So you just need to click on roles, right click, new roles. You have to provide the name of the particular role. Suppose test. You need to provide a description. So here you will give a short description like for what you are creating this role. So in the client computer you can see there are multiple options. So let's suppose you want to create a role with only the download option. So just select it here and click OK. So you can see we have created a new role with the name test, and you can associate this role in the CommCell user group like I have showcased you earlier. So I hope you understood the security option also. So now coming to the fifth option, that is the storage resources. So once you click storage resources, you can see there are multiple options. So I'm not going to touch each and every option. I will explain the only thing so which you need to understand. So the first option is deduplication engine. So basically this is the DDB which we have created while making the storage pool. So while creating the storage pool, it will ask to create a DDB path. So this is the DDB path which we have created. So now coming to the next option, that is libraries. So from here in the library section you will get options to create disk library, cloud, tape. I hope you must be aware with these options because I have already created a separate video on the library part. So now I'm going to skip this one. So now moving to the next option, that is media agent. So as you know that media agent have the role of hosting the DDB, data movement and indexing. So you will get the list of all the media agent on which you have installed the media agent package. So now coming to the next option, that is a storage pool. So basically this is the storage pool which you have already created earlier. So on a storage pool, you have to integrate your disk cloud tape library, and you have to provide a DDB path also if you want to use the deduplication. So from here you can create a storage pool. I have also created a separate video in the storage pool, so I will copy the link in the I button. So from there also you can go and watch it, the storage pool video. So let me minimize the storage options, resources options. So now next option is store policy. So in the policy, once you click, you will get the multiple options, but here I'm going to touch the few policies only. So the first one is a storage policy. So I hope you must be aware that through the help of the storage policy, you can create a policy on which you will define the storage pool, you will define the retention, and you can apply this storage policy to your clients, and as per the policy the retention will work and your data will get back up to your target repository. Now the second is schedule policy. So under the schedule policy, you define the scheduling of the backup, so when the backup will get triggered. So from here you can create the new policies. You just provide the name, agent type, description, and from here in the add section you define the backup types. In the schedule pattern you define the schedule name, and when you want to run the backup, well, it will be daily, weekly, monthly. So from here you have to define, and this is the replication option. So with the help of schedule policy you define all these things. So next is schedule subclient policy. So in the subclient policy you define the content, like what content you want to protect within your endpoints and servers. So in virtual machine policy you define the type of policy, like what policy type you want to clone from the template, restore from backup, or live mount or if you want to enable the virtual lab. So from here you can create that also. So now coming to the next option, that is report. So in the report section there is an option to create a report. So from here, once you click on new report, here you will get the multiple reports, so you can just configure the reports. So if you want to have the backup type report, so from here you can select your computers, like on what computer you want to see the job summary report. Here you have to select the media agent, the policies name, and the selection, like what type of content you want to see in the report, what are the storage, job information, and in the advanced section you will get multiple options. So from here you just need to select it, and you have to customize it. And in the time range also you can select the specific time for what report you want to look it out. And in the output there are 4 options, if you which output format you want to have the report: HTML, text, PDF, and XML. And you just need to click on here schedule, or if you want to run it right now you just need to click on run. So now coming to the next option, that is workflows. So in the workflows you can see plenty of workflows that are running behind your COM server. So this all are the system created workflow which are using in your day-to-day activities in the CommCell. But if you have the skills to create the workflow, you can also create the workflow as per your requirement. So here you can create the workflow. So there are plenty of customizable options available in the Commvault. So if you have the knowledge, you can create anything from here. Coming to next option, that is network topology. So in the network topology you can create a network topology, and you can define the like how client will get communicate with your servers. So there you can see there are multiple options: one-way communication, two-way, cascading gateways, and one-way forwarding. So from here you can create the firewall rules through which your client will going to connect with your COM server and media agent. And this is dev test and dev DR policy. So from here you can define the failover groups, and you can do the automation from here for your virtual machines. I think the video is going to be longer and you guys will get bored, so I'm going to end this video right now. and we will create a second part of this video very soon. I hope you have found this video informative, and you have learned something today's from this video. So my request is to, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon to get the notifications related to my new videos. So take care, goodbye. We are going to meet again in the next video of this CommCell Console part 2. Bye bye, take care.